Okay, we have the face-palming dumbbell. Excuse me. Lock it up, bro. Here, I got the face-palming dumbbell. Okay, so we got to find the area of each rectangle. Remember, the area of a rectangle is the base of the rectangle times the height of the rectangle. Oh, luckily I give you the base and the height of each rectangle. Okay, so we're entering our answers as a binomial with no spaces. Good, read the directions. Okay, so we got to go base times height. So we got to go 5x minus 3 together times the height of 12. Oh, so it's just a distribution question. Okay, 12 times u, 12 times u. 5 times 12, I think, is 60. I got this guy for backup just in case. So we have a 60x, and then 12 times a minus 3 is a minus 36. Okay. Over here, we have a blue rectangle. So we'd have 5x plus 4. Now, don't get too wrapped up in the fact, well, they're the same size. Yeah, I know, but one thing you're going to learn in some of our parent figures, so we make these shapes and then we just cycle the math. So these are the things we change. Okay, yeah, physically they stay the same size, but these are the things that we cycle. You'll learn this a lot in geometry. We could use the same picture for like 20 different questions and we just switch like the angles, the lengths, or the measurements of things. We rotate those things around. We do that is to give you a picture to help, but we don't keep the picture. We don't make 20 different pictures for 20 different questions. We have the same picture, but then we change the math. It'll make more sense the more stuff you do in geometry. So we have a 50x plus a 40. All right, so there's our areas, 60x minus 36, 50x minus 40. It says right here, if x is 27, which shape has the larger area, the blue or the red? Oh, so that means we got to plug 27 in for x. So now we're going back to earlier chapter 1 stuff and we're evaluating. That's pretty easy. You just put 27 in for x. Notice it takes me about 25,000 years to write it out. But after I write it out, all I got to do is calculate it. Ooh, that took forever. It's going to take even longer to type it into my calculator. 60 bracket 27, close the bracket. We got a minus 36. Okay, so if x were to be 27, the area of the red rectangle would be 1584. Okay, let's find the other one. 50 bracket 27, close the bracket, plus 40 is 1390. I think we got a winner here, friends. I typed that out right? Yeah, I did. Looks like the 60x was more powerful than the 50x. Look at that. 60 of those was more powerful than 27 or 50 of those. All right, what was it? 1390. All right, students. So now we got to answer the question. Which shape had the larger area, the red or the blue? You just type in red or blue. I think it's red. There you go. So type out the word, no spaces. Don't get weird with it. Red. Don't abbreviate. Just R. Red. Red. The whole word. Don't just type an R. Type the whole word. It takes 2 seconds. Now, here we go. How much more area? How much bigger was the red one compared to the blue one? Oh, that sounds like a subtraction problem. Well, the big one was 1584. The not as big one was 1390. Let's do some subtraction here. Boom, 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 boom. Oop, get out of the way, I can't see. Minus 1390, 194. So the red rectangle had 194 more area units than the blue one did. Okay, that's a good one. Man, I like that one, the face-palming dumbbell. That's a really good one. Okay, had to do a little distribution, evaluation. Compare the numbers. Make you critical think, which one is bigger? This one. Okay, red one. A little association. And then subtraction at the end. Woo! Oh, that one's getting you. Oh, I like that one. Good job, me. Good job, me. That's a good math question. Okay. The face-palming dumbbell is done.